Hello, this is MIA Academy TV, and today we'll be discussing the difference between pH and Ka. So what is pH? pH is a logarithmic scale, and it tells you the relative strength of an acid or a base, and it goes from 1 to 14. And all logarithmic means is that it moves in powers of 10. So you have 10 to the x. So every time you move one unit, you are multiplying by 10. And what is Ka? It is a acid ionization constant. So in this video, I'll be telling you which is a better predictor of whether your acid will be strong or weak. And it is the Ka that is a better option. And here's why. pH is concentration based and is defined as pH equals negative log the concentration of hydronium ions. And Ka is a constant for every substance. So HCl would have its own Ka, and sulfuric acid, H2S, would have its own Ka value. And so why Ka is better is because, let's say you have a beaker of 1 molar HCl versus 0.1 molar HCl. The pH of the 0.1 molar HCl would be higher, and therefore you might think HCl is not a very good acid, but it's just dependent on the concentration of hydronium ions. Whereas the Ka value for HCl will never change. So you can tell that if it's a number larger than around 1,000, then that is a strong predictor that it's a strong acid. And what else? So Ka also represents the acid hydrolysis of water with water. So all this means is you have an acid, HCl. Don't forget the state. So this is aqueous, and you have H2O, liquid. It goes to hydronium, and you're left with your ion, Cl minus, aqueous. So this is a neutral ion because it came from a strong acid, and we can get into that in a later video. But yeah, this is why Ka is a better predictor than pH for a strong acid, because it doesn't change and it's not concentration dependent. Just adding more on what the Ka actually is. So we have this equation here, and the Ka represents your concentration of your products over concentration of reactants. So if you have a relatively high Ka, that means you have a lot of products. So you made a lot of hydronium ions, which means your solution by definition is acidic. So that's why a high Ka means your solution is acidic. Thank you.